Okay, here I am with the Enterprise C and its flank. What I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to solidify this decal, this bottom flank decal onto the ship so that it doesn't fly off with the slightest burst of wind anymore. And you can see where when I originally painted it, remember this was my first spray painting test all by myself, it got a bit smudgy on the bottom. Wow, that nacelle still actually moves a little. Look at that. Now, this has had actually an iridescent paint test. See that? That is iridescent colors there. But of course you saw the iridescent on the Star Destroyer as well. But here's the thing. Even with the MicroSet spilled, it is still the length of the MicroSol used. I mean the depth. So that's pretty good. We're doing okay here. Nothing's messing up too badly. I'm going to save. So that's pretty well all for the Enterprise C. You can see that it's from 2018 because I was in my metallic trim phase. You see the grills on the neck. You see the antique gold around the deflector dish rim to go for Star Trek 50 years and so forth. And you see how Enterprise is there, but there's to be something there that seems to be missing at this point. And look, you see that red thing there? Well, it's missing from this, so that's sometimes the problem with doing a chrome hull. Nothing really sticks. Although the escape pods seem to have been doing well, as you can see here. I did some gold under them to make them accessible. Oh! There I go. MicroSol got on the bottom saucer of this. And this did not come with a stand. And the polar lights, one of them is too big, the other one's too small, so that doesn't work either. So we're just going to leave the ship like that for now. And that's all for the Enterprise C, and it's repairing the decals. So, see you later. And yes, that pun was intended. Ha 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 ha.